What's up, guys? Zaman here, and today we got unboxing and review of the Anker SoundCore Mini. Let's get into it. Bruh. Alright guys, what's up? Zaman here. We have the Anker SoundCore Mini. Now this is a $25 speaker from Anker. You may know them for, they have wireless earbuds, portable chargers, but this is the speaker. Now this is the box, so it comes with the speaker, of course, and it charges by micro USB, so not USB-C. But I mean, for a $25 speaker, what can you expect? You can get this on Amazon, and in some Walmarts they have it. Now I got this off Amazon. You can actually find it for cheaper around like sales or like Prime Day or holidays for $20 if you're really lucky, maybe like $15. So yeah, here's the side. And the other side says extend playtime, high fidelity sound, and play your way. So this does, of course, it's a Bluetooth speaker. It's got a micro SD slot. It's got aux input, and you can play the radio through it. So yeah, so let's take this off. It says Anker SoundCore. Nothing else. And this. And boom, here we go. Here's the Anker SoundCore. You see, so this is the, if it will focus, that'd be nice. Here we go, so that's the on-off switch, aux input, micro SD, micro SD and micro USB, and then, if you guys can see that button, sorry, it's not really focusing that well. But if you can see that button, I don't really know what this is for. But it's there. It says M, maybe, I don't know. It's got play pause controls on the front. It's nice, it's a rubber. So play, pause, got down, volume up. And then here's the speaker grill. This is where all the sound comes through. And yeah, that's pretty much overview of the speaker. And then we got all the things that no one ever reads. The owner's manual. The owner's manual, I can't talk. Much stuff. No one really needs that. And if you take this apart, we will find the micro USB cable. It's not that long. It's decent. I would say it's about, let's try to show it in the frame. Yeah, no, it's pretty dang long. Oh, I would say about 2.5 feet. I don't even know, man. Micro USB cable. That's pretty much the packaging. So, this speaker here, yeah, I'm gonna stop there. The Anker SoundCore Mini is also a great, if you don't want to dish out like the $100 for a UE Mega Boom or a UE Booms. It's a great small portable speaker. And so this is the mode button, on and off, aux input. This is how it charges, micro USB and micro SD card. And that's pretty much the speaker. Like, it's pretty compact. You know, it just fits in my hand like that. It's pretty easy. It's not waterproof, but I mean, for $25, what can you expect? It's made out of aluminum. It's got a pretty nice finish. As you can see, I dropped it once. I've dropped it many times actually, but produced a little scratch. Most of the scratches wipe off. You see, there's a couple nicks there. But I've had this for quite some time now, and it's held up. It gets pretty dang loud. I'll do a sound test later on in this video, so it gets pretty loud. And yeah, no, it's a really good speaker, I think, overall. For like, this is probably bang for your buck speaker. And I looked it up on Amazon. I was wrong. It's actually $20, not $25, so it's even better. And you see, buttons are very clicky, so it's always satisfying. And it's got up to 15 hours battery life that's advertised. In my tests, I get about 13 hours, that's pretty good. So like I said, not waterproof, doesn't float. So, well, I mean, yeah, it's not great that it's not waterproof, but if you get splashes of water on it, it's fine. I have, and yeah, it's rolling away, and we're definitely gonna cut that from the video. All right, now the sound test. So this is going to be at 50% volume for the Anker SoundCore Mini. Let's play it. Now we're gonna crank it up to 75%. And now 100%. So it gets pretty loud, as you guys can tell. And when it gets to 90, 95, and 100, it makes a little chime. So I was adjusting that from my computer, but you can adjust the volume from the speaker or from the device you're playing it, or you can even say Siri. So you can actually access Siri by holding down this. And hey Siri, tell me a joke.
What's the difference between roast beef and pea soup? Anyone can roast beef.
Yeah, so haha, funny Siri. Siri doesn't sound the greatest through it, but yeah, that was the sound test. I will leave a link in the description for this product, so that will be there if you guys want to pick this up. Yeah, so like I said, I think this is great. Sum it up. I mean, if you're in the or if you're looking for a low budget portable speaker, you want something to play, maybe you're going out to the beach or whatever. Yeah, no, I think this is a great product. This fills the description of everything you need. It's got, yeah, if you don't want to play from Bluetooth, you can hook it up to something, micro SD, or you can even play the radio. Yeah, so this is a great product. It comes also with 18-month warranty. So that's great. Anker, they got really good customer service. I've never really had an issue with any of their products, but I've heard from a lot of other people that's really good. So yeah, I'd recommend this. Like I said, if you want to pick it up, links in the description. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. By the way, my AirPods Pro video is coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, peace.